Dylan Edwards is off with a hamstring injury. I have spoken to the Panthers. They are saying it's precautionary, but it's unlikely he'll be back tonight.
Still a game on here now. 16-10. The Cowboys still winning. Yeah.